Hi guys, in this video I show you how you match colors by using the color picker in Canva. Click on the area or the element you want to change the color, for example the background color here. To change the color, click on this circle right here. To add a new color or find the color picker, just click on the plus button in the left sidebar. Here you can choose between solid color, gradient, and you have this color picker right here. If you click on this, you are able to choose any color on your Windows screen. You can even leave the Canva window and choose a color from your Windows desktop, for example from any program or icon here. Let's choose for example orange from the Brave browser or the green one from the Nvidia app. If we are going back, we can not only use the solid color we have chosen, we can also use the gradient one here and select the style we like. You can use the same process to not only change the background color, also from elements or text. In most of the other programs like video editing software or graphic design, it looks exactly the same. For example here in Capcut. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.